Hello everyone, I am Tariq Jamil from Tariq 360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to find property address, agent name and other information from Zillow.com. So at first go to Zillow.com and write an address here. You can write zip code, city or neighborhood or any address. I already searched Pampa, Texas here, so I am showing you by these states. Click on Pampa, Texas, and it will show the list of real estates and homes for sale. So I'm selecting one to show the details information about it. So click on any properties here. So I'm selecting this. Now what information do I need? Go to Excel, and I already opened Microsoft Excel, so I'm showing you. I have already created some table headlines. You can see here property address, property price, listing date, agent name, agent address and agent contact number. You can also add more value here if you need them. So I am first collecting the property address. So you can see the property address here. Copy the address from here, right click on copy and double click on it and right click and paste here. Okay, now I will find the property price listed here. The property price is listed here at 38,000 USD. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we'll look for listing date. Listing date you can find scrolling down here. You can see this is the date of listed first time. Okay, copy the date and paste it on Excel sheet. Now we'll find for agent name. We can see the agent here by scrolling down. Okay, you can see 4 agents here. We'll click on the right button of mouse and click on open link in new tab. You can see new tab is open here. Now click on the agent name and copy it. Now we can see 4 agents name here, so we are giving it number 1. Sorry, after writing the number you will need to press shift, press control enter. Okay, sorry for that. Click on press on alt enter from your keyboard. Now write on number 2. Okay, now we'll selecting the number 2 agents from here. Click as the same way, open link in new tab, copy the name of the second agents and paste it here, number 2 and paste. We'll again press alt enter from the keyboard. Okay, copy the number 3 agents from here. I'm selecting it, copying it and paste it here. Okay, number 4. Copy press alt enter again and paste it here. I'm pressing Ctrl V to shortcut paste. Okay, now we'll find out for agent address information. So number 1, I'm writing it in advance. Number 2, alt enter and select below. Number 4. Okay, now number 1, we see the name, so collect his information, collect her information. I'm copying it, I'm zooming it to understand better. Okay, copy it and paste it number 1 here. Now for number 2 agents, copy his address, copy her address from here and paste it on number 2. Then go to for third agent, copy his address, sorry, okay. Now go to for number 4 agent, copy his information, okay. Now paste it on number 4. Now we'll find isn't contact now. We're I'm writing the number in advance. Press alt enter number 2 or press alt enter, sorry, deleted. Press alt enter number 2 4. Okay, now collect the information from here. At first go to first agent and copy his phone number and paste it number 1. Copy second agent information from here, paste it on number 2. Copy third agent information from here. I'm using Ctrl C for shortcut, so no need to worry, you can also use shortcut. And go to for agent, cell phone number, copy and Ctrl V for paste. Okay, we collected some 6 information from the website: property address, property price, listing date, agent name, agent address, agent contact now. There are many more information to collect. You can collect those information if you need for your client or for you or for your client, like Fiverr, Upwork. If you are a freelancer, it's good website for collecting the information of real estate's property sites. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share this video. If you have any problem regarding online marketing, digital marketing or freelancing, you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.